Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the toner cartridge on your Brother HL-L2350 DW laser printer. We are only focusing on resetting the toner cartridge in this video. If you're wondering how to replace the toner cartridge, we cover that in a different video. If you installed a new toner cartridge and the replace toner cartridge message won't clear from the display, or a cartridge error message appears on the display, you may need to reset the toner cartridge. Some Brother printers require a manual reset of the toner in order to start printing with the new cartridge. Once this is reset, you can continue to print without interruption for the full life of the cartridge. Alright, so let's start the reset process. First, remove the toner cartridge and then reinstall it into the printer. Wait for about 10 seconds and then open the front cover and we'll start the reset process. Press the back and the go button at the same time for 1 to 2 seconds. Release both buttons and then press the back button again. The printer screen will display TNR-STR. Then, press the up and down arrows to select TNR-HC and press OK. Select the down button to choose Reset and then close the front cover. After the cover is closed, the screen will display Accepted. And that's it. Now with the toner reset, that replaced toner cartridge message should clear and you can continue printing as expected. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. If you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.